हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल ऑनलाइन लर्निंग वेबसाइट। आज हम लोग बात करेंगे आईसी इंजन के ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस के बारे में। आगे बढ़ते हैं दोस्तों, जो कि आपके ये क्वेश्चंस जो है आपके एग्जामिनेशन प्रोस्पेक्टिव से काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट हो सकते हैं। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन बात करते हैं यहाँ पर कंबशन इन कंप्रेशन इग्निशन इंजन इज़। आपको बताना है कि कंबशन इन कंप्रेशन इग्निशन इंजन इज़। ऑप्शंस आर होमोजीनियस, हेट्रोजीनियस, बोथ ए एंड बी, लैमिनार एंड टर्बुलेंट। तो उसका राइट आंसर हो जाएगा इज बी, दैट इज हेट्रोजीनियस। कंबशन इन कंप्रेशन इग्निशन इंजन इज हेट्रोजीनियस। द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, फ्यूल द फ्यूल इन डीजल इंजन इज नॉर्मली इंजेक्टेड एट द प्रेशर ऑफ। द राइट आंसर इज डी 90 SAS 130 kg per centimeter square. Next question, the specific fuel consumption per bhp hour for diesel engine is approximately. The right answer is B, that is 0.2 kg. Next question, the temperature of interior surface of cylinder wall in normal operation is not lowered to exceed. The temperature of interior surface of a cylinder wall in normal operation is not all lowered to exceed. What is the right answer is C, 180 degrees Celsius. Next question is sensitivity of a governor is specified as. Sensitivity of a governor is specified. What is the right answer is C, that is 200 n max minus n min upon n max plus n min. Next question is that crankcase explosion in IC engine usually occurs as. Right answer is the first, a mild explosion followed by a big explosion. Next question, compression loss in IC engine occurs due to. आपको बताना है कि compression loss in IC engine occurs due to. What is the right answer is E, all of the above. That means leaking piston rings, use of thick head gasket, clogged air inlet slots, and increase in clearance volume caused by bearing bushing wear. The next question is that the specific fuel consumption per bhp hour for a petrol engine is approximately. What is the right answer is? Right answer is C, that is 0.25 kg. The next question, the air requirement of a petrol engine during starting compared to a theoretical air required for complete combustion is. The right answer is B, that is loss. Next question, the inlet valve for a 4-stroke cycle IC engine remains open for nearly. The right answer is C, that is 235 degree. Next question, which of the following is not an internal combustion engine? The right answer is E, that is steam turbine. The next question is pick up the false statement. The right answer is E. The right answer is E. SI engines are quality governed engines. Next question, if one cylinder of a diesel engine receive more fuel than the others, then for that cylinder the right answer is E, that is scavenging occurs. If one cylinder of a diesel engine receives more fuel than the others, then for that cylinder the scavenging occurs. Next question, the output of a diesel engine can be increased without increasing the engine revolution or size in following way. The right answer is E, that is supercharging. The next question is, it is the temperature of intake air in IC engines is lowered, then its efficiency will be. The right answer is A, that is increase. Next question, in a typical medium speed 4-stroke cycle diesel engine, the right answer is A, compression starts at 35 degree after bottom dead center and ends at the top dead center. Next question. For the same compression ratio, what is the right answer is A, that is the Otto cycle is more efficient than the diesel cycle. For the same compression ratio, Otto cycle is more efficient than the diesels. The next question is that the process of breaking up or a liquid into fine droplets by spraying is called. The right answer is E, that is atomization. Next question. As a result of detonation in IC engines, following a parameters attains very high value. The right answer is B, that is rate of rise of pressure. Next question. Which of the following statement is correct? Which of the following statement is correct? The right answer is D. All reversible engines working between the same temperature limits have the same efficiency. Next question. Most high speed compression engines operates on. The right answer is C, that is dual combustion cycle. Next question is, in a 4-cylinder 4-stroke diesel engine operating at 1200 rpm, the duration of fuel injection is 20 degree. The time in seconds during which fuel is injected would be. The right answer is A, 1/360 second. Next question. If one cylinder of a diesel engine receives more fuel than the others, it is a serious condition for that cylinder can be checked by. The right answer is D, that is checking cylinder exhaust temperature with a pyrometer. Next question. The accumulation of carbon in a cylinder result in increase of. The right answer is D, that is effective compression ratio. Next question. Which of the following medium is compressed in a diesel engine cylinder? Right answer is A, that is air alone. The next question is, figure shows that A, B, C and D. There are a figure and curve shows the efficiency versus compression ratio of various cycles in IC engines for constant volume cycle. Which cycle? Constant volume cycle. आपको बताना है. The right answer for question is B, that is capital B is the right answer. In this figure shows the curve of efficiency versus compression ratio for various cycles in the IC engine for constant volume cycle. The curve is applicable. Right answer is curve B. Next question is, pick up the false statement. आपको बताना है इसमें कि false statement कौन सा है. तो injection of fuel by external means is not required for a mixed cycle, and for a constant pressure cycle the curve applicable for figure 2.1a constant pressure cycle की बात की जा रही है. तो what is the right answer is constant pressure cycle. Right answer is D. constant pressure cycle कौन सी हो जाएगी? D. Next question. Constant for a mixed cycle, that is for limited pressure cycle, the curve applicable in mixed cycle के लिए कौन सा आएगा? Right answer is C. C for mixed cycle and B हमारा constant volume cycle and D is the constant pressure cycle as per answer. 5.2 का D एंड 2.53 का सी. सी हमारा यहाँ पर मिक्स साइकिल को शो कर रहा है. सी इज़ द एयर रेशियो ऑफ पेट्रोल इंजन इज कंट्रोल्ड बाय 2.54. द राइट आंसर इज. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पढ़ते हैं. यानी जो एयर फ्यूल रेशियो है पेट्रोल इंजन का इज़ कंट्रोल्ड बाय, किसके द्वारा कंट्रोल होता है? द राइट आंसर इज़ कार्बोरेटर के द्वारा. इज़ कार्बोरेटर. एयर फ्यूल रेशियो जो पेट्रोल इंजन का होता है वो कंट्रोल होता है बाय कार्बोरेटर. बात करते हैं ना टिपिकल मीडियम स्पीड 4-स्ट्रोक साइकिल डीजल इंजन In a typical medium speed 4-stroke cycle diesel engine is, the right answer is A, that is fuel injection starts at 10 degree before top dead center and ends at 20 degree after the top dead center. Next question is, diesel fuel compared to petrol is, diesel fuel compared to petrol is, the right answer is C, that is more difficult to ignite. Next question is that in a diesel engine, the diesel fuel injected into the cylinder would burn instantly at about compressed air temperature is, the right answer is C, that is 1000 degrees Celsius. Next question, when the crude oil is heated, then which of the following hydrocarbon is given off first? The right answer is E, that is 2000 degrees Celsius. 2.58 का राइट आंसर हो जाएगा ई, दैट इज़ फॉर नेचुरल गैस, एंड 2.57 का राइट आंसर हो जाएगा, 2.57 का राइट आंसर है सी, 2.57 का आंसर है सी, दैट इज़ 1000, 2.58 का राइट आंसर है ई, दैट इज़ नेचुरल गैस। क्वेश्चन ये कह रहा है कि 2.57 की बात करते हैं तो इन अ डीजल इंजन जो डीजल फ्यूल इंजेक्टेड इनटू सिलेंडर वुड बर्न इंस्टेंटली एट अबाउट कंप्रेस्ड एयर टेम्परेचर ऑफ, तो इसका राइट आंसर हो जाएगा 1000 डिग्री सेल्सियस। एंड नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हेन द क्रूड ऑयल इज हीटेड देन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग हाइड्रोकार्बन इज गिवन ऑफ फर्स्ट, तो इसका राइट आंसर हो जाएगा ई, दैट इज नेचुरल गैस, इज द नेचुरल gas. Next question, the rating of a diesel engine with increase in air inlet temperature will be, air inlet temperature will be decrease linearly. Next question is, a 75 cc engine has following parameter as 75 cc, what is the right answer is C, that is your swept volume. Next question, a heat engine utilize the, right answer is C, that is high heat value of oil. Gaseous fuel guarantees are based on, the right answer is B, that is low heat value of oil. Next question is, fuel consumption of diesel engine is not guaranteed at 1/4 load because at such low loads, the right answer is C, that is your the small difference in cooling water temperature or internal friction has a disproportional effect. Next question, polymerization is a chemical process in which molecules of a compound become A, that is larger. Polymerization is a chemical process in which molecules of a compound become larger. Next question is, the term scavenging is generally associated with, right answer is E, high efficiency engines. And the next question is, in diesel engine the compression ratio in compression to expansion ratio is C, more. The next question is, the camshaft of a 4-stroke IC engine running at 1500 rpm will run out, the right answer is B, that is 750 rpm. Engine pistons are usually made up of aluminum alloy because it A, is lighter. Most high speed compression engines operates on, the right answer is C, that is dual cycle. The specific fuel consumption of a petrol engines compared to diesel engines of same HP is, right answer is B, more. The next question is, a diesel engine as compared to petrol engines both running are rated load is, right answer is A, that is more efficient. Next question, the size of inlet wall of an engine is compression to exhaust wall is B, that is less. In a typical medium speed 4-stroke cycle diesel engine is A, that is Expansion start at 20 degree after top dead center and ends at 35 degree before bottom dead center. The next question is, in a cycle the spark lasts roughly for. The right answer is D, that is 0.001 second. Next question, which of the following is the false statement? The right answer is D, that is your detonation. Next question, which of the following is the false statement? Right answer is C, that is your increasing the compression ratio. Next question, the fuel air ratio in a petrol engine fitted with a suction carburetor operating with dirty air filter as compared to clean filter will be. The right answer is A, that is higher. Next question, pick up the wrong statement about the supercharging. So right answer is D, supercharging result in the fuel economy. Next question, the actual volume of a fresh charge admitted in a 4-stroke engine is C, that is less than stroke volume. Next question, the magnitude is in an automobile is basically. The right answer is B, that is DC generator. Next question is, the reason of supercharging in any engine is to be. The right answer is C, that is to reduce weight and bulk for a given output. The next question is, the operation of forcing additional air under pressure in the engine cylinder is known as. Right answer is C, that is supercharging. Next question, supercharging is essential in. Supercharging is essential in. Right answer is D, that is your एयरक्राफ्ट इंजन्स के लिए सुपरचार्जिंग इज इसेंशियल. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, अगर बात करें कि जो मिनिमम क्रैकिंग स्पीड इन केस ऑफ पेट्रोल इंजन इज अबाउट. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज minimum cracking speed in case of petrol engine is 60 से 80 rpm. Next question is, in a typical medium speed 4-stroke cycle diesel engine. Right answer is A, that is exhaust valve opens at 35 degree before bottom dead center and closes at 20 degree after top dead center. Flash point of a fuel oil is. The right answer is A, that is minimum temperature to which oil is heated in order to give off inflammable vapors in sufficient quantity to ignite momentarily when brought in contact with a flame. Next question, the mean effective pressure obtained from the engine indicator indicates the. The right answer is E, that is average pressure. Next question, for the same power developed in IC engines, the cheaper system is. The cheaper system is B, that is supercharge. Next question, installation of supercharger on a 4-cycle diesel engine can result in the following percentage increases in power. The right answer is E, that is up to 100%. Next question is, scavenging is usually done to increase the. Right answer is C, that is power output. Next question, which of the following is the lightest and most volatile liquid fuel? The right answer is D, that is your gasoline. Next question, the theoretically correct air fuel ratio for petrol engine is of the order of. The right answer is D, that is 15:1. Next question, air fuel ratio for idling speed of a petrol engine is approximately. Right answer is C, that is 10:1. The next question is, air fuel ratio at which a petrol engines cannot work. The right answer is D, that is 20:1 and less. Next question, for maximum power generation the air fuel ratio for a petrol engines for vehicles is of the order. Right answer is B, that is 12:1. Next question. The following volume of air is required for consuming 1 liter of a fuel by a 4-stroke engine. The right answer is D, that is 9 से 10 meter cube. Next question. Pour point of fuel oil is the right answer is B, that is temperature at which it's solidified or congeals. Next question. A 5 bhp engine running at full load would consume diesel of the order of. The right answer is B, that is 1 kg per hour. And the next question is, diesel engine can work on every lean air fuel ratio of the order of 30:1. A petrol engine can also work on such a lean ratio provided. What is the options? Right answer is C, that is your can not work as it is impossible. एंड द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज अ डीजल इंजन हैज़, डीजल इंजन में कितने वॉल्व होते हैं आपको बताना है. तो राइट आंसर उसका हो जाएगा सी, दैट इज 3 वॉल्व. डीजल इंजन हैव अ सी, दैट इज 2 वॉल्व. तो देन डीजल इंजन हैज़ अ right answer is 2 वॉल्व. Thanks for watching and sharing.